This video is based on the technical analysis of Apple, and at this point in time we're on the weekly chart. As you guys know, Apple is a technology company that's listed on the Nasdaq stock exchange. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the analysis. So what we will do actually in regards to the analysis of Apple is identify the market structure, market patterns that we should be paying attention to, key support and resistance levels, important candlestick patterns, as well as levels at which we should be looking for those potential buying and selling opportunities. And so here we are on the weekly chart, and in regards to the weekly chart, we can see that the market had given us this huge W structure, with this side being the first leg of that W and this side being the second leg. And we can also see that at this point we saw price break into the upside of this point, which is the previous all-time high. And what this means is that in order for the market to continue to move further up, we need to see it at least come back to this level, which is now a very strong level of support, as we had multiple rejections at that level. And also this level is the previous all-time high, and once that happens, I believe then that we will see, or we will likely see, the market continue to move further up. And that is because, guys, when you look at institutional traders, a lot of them are actually waiting for the market to reach this level, and at this level is where they will come in most likely in large numbers and continue to move the market further up, right? Another thing that I also wanted to mention or remind you guys about is that we are in earnings season, and this week Apple will be releasing their earnings results, right? And this will have a big impact on the direction and price of Apple, so we just need to be careful. Anyway, let's proceed. What else do we see on the weekly chart? On the weekly chart, as much as we had this W structure and price surpassing this previous all-time high, note also that we actually have this candlestick over here, and what it is a bearish candlestick with quite a small body and a very long lower wick. And that candlestick tells us that at the bottom we have a lot of liquidity there. And as much as I'm saying that we want to see price come back to this level, right, what may possibly happen is we may see the market actually move all the way down to the end of this candlestick, and at that point is where we may potentially see the market continue to move further up, right? And that is because, as I said, guys, that candlestick is a liquidity candlestick, and liquidity is actually money that needs to be triggered by the market at one point or another. Anyway,